land is called strife land because the Welsh give the Anglo-Normans so much strife, the Normans give up and surrendered and went away, and the Welsh repossessed it. Well, in June, throughout Wales, on every mountain top where there's a windmill, you start giving these renewable robber barons strife. And let's drive them out of Wales. On June the 8th to the 10th, I want thousands of patriots to come to this mountain and occupy it. But let's do it. No messing. There was a time when Plaid Cymru would do it. Hundreds of them would blockade Epant and blockade the railways and blockade the forestry. It's time the patriots today got out of their closet blogging and Facebooks and between June the 8th and June the 10th, march into this mountain and occupy it and make a stand. Remember what I said about the Betws Barracade? We barricade this and it'll stop them going back and forth. Don't worry, it's only a symbolic gesture for a few hours. Betws Barracade, yes.